New Holland Agriculture, a brand of international repute, is serving global agriculture for 120 years. Known for its technological innovations, offering various solutions to farming, it has millions of satisfied customers worldwide, caters to every crop and every condition. More than 3 lakh progressive farmers have already joined the New Holland Agriculture family through its journey of 16 years in India. The New Holland Agriculture Greater Noida plant has won many accolades since its inception. The plant is recognized with 2 National Manufacturing Excellence Awards in 2014. The company has also been awarded ISO certifications for quality, energy, environment and safety. A leader in farm mechanization solutions, New Holland Agriculture offers a technologically superior range of 32 to 90 horsepower tractors in India with a growing network of 900 customer touchpoints. Our network of 50 customer touchpoints in Andhra Pradesh and 45 in Telangana is growing to reach out to every farmer. New Holland introduces the best performing and best suited tractor with fully sealed body for puddling, New Holland 4710. 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive models of 4710 are loaded with many unique features. 8 forward and 8 reverse speeds. Synchro shuttle gears for easy forward and reverse movement without changing gears. Power steering. Fully constant mesh side shift gears. Oil immersed disc brakes. Lift-o-matic. Planetary reduction. Ground speed PTO. Reverse PTO. Economy PTO. Double clutch with independent lever. Flexible usage of the company-fitted front and rear weights gives best performance with various applications. New Holland 4710 has other special features. Clutch pedal lock, adjustable tow hook, fiber diesel tank, spin-on diesel filter, adjustable seat, mobile charger, bottle holder. The New Holland 4710 tractor is the best in its category. It consumes less fuel, requires low maintenance, offers best-in-class productivity. New Holland 4710. Maximum savings, maximum gains.
నా పేరు వేణుగోపాల్, మా గ్రామం గోపాలపురం, మండలం జిల్లా కరీంనగర్. అయితే ఈ 4710 నేను తీసుకున్న కాడికెళ్ళి అప్పటికెళ్ళి నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది, గర్వంగా ఉంది. ఎందుచేతనంటే నేను డీజిల్ ఆయిల్ పరంగా కానీ జీరో మెయింటెనెన్స్ మాత్రం ఈ బండి జీరో మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఉంది. ప్లస్ ఒకటి ఏంటంటే ఏ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకో ఏదన్నా వేసుకో చాలా బాగా పనితనం ఉన్నది బండి దగ్గర. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే పవర్ స్టీరింగ్ కానీ హైడ్రాలిక్ పరంగా కానీ ప్లస్ పీటీఓ పరంగా కానీ స్టీరింగ్ పరంగా కానీ సీట్ పరంగా కానీ అన్ని విధాలుగా అనుకూలంగా మంచిగా రైతుకు చాలా సంతోషకరంగా ఉన్నది.
New Holland Agriculture. Your growth, our technology.
ఈ ట్రాక్టర్ నా జీవితాన్నే మార్చేసింది.
To know more, contact toll-free number 1800 2000 124.